farm in heroics for. Maybe though.
Damage stands. Stealth.
What?
This comp.
Yeah.
Terrible for
Defense
us. You gotta get
stands.
away from them more, and they have perception popped.
Just wanted to try to sap the rogue.
I wouldn't try to play aggressive versus human rogue. I would play defensive and then pop it later.
This is gonna be rough, to be honest.
Yeah.
I think
Oh,
we just
there's
gotta
rogue.
kill. We gotta kill Pally.
Damage stands.
I
my
sapped
God.
rogue.
Nice.
Divine shield.
There's a bubble. Get
Right,
out. Run. Get a reset.
Yep.
Who are we on?
Cheap
We're
shot.
getting a reset.
Rogue's on
Coming
me.
out.
Okay, we'll get a reset if you can.
Bubble down. Berserker
Pally's on
stance.
bridge by himself. I'm opening him.
Warriors on me.
Cheap shot.
He's on bridge by himself. Come up
Okay,
here.
I gotta keep rogue busy.
Holy shock.
I'm trying to
Freedom.
reset and bandage.
Evasion. Hammer of justice.
Bandaging really quick.
Preparation.
Okay.
Stands. Divine
I'm gonna kill
Serum.
rogue
Cheap
here if
shot.
I can.
Pally,
Shield
Pally,
of
Pally.
Hammer
Yeah, kill
stands.
paladin, yeah.
I'm gonna blind warrior. Blinding warrior.
Okay,
I'm coming.
just kill rogue.
Kill rogue.
Vanish.
Yep.
I have a bleed on me.
I'll reblind on warrior in a second. Reblind up.
Okay. Okay.
Damage stands.
I'm
I'm gonna
sapped.
stop rogue if I can.
I can see rogue. I can see
Oh,
rogue. I'll get warrior off you.
Nice, good
Give me
job.
Good shit. Good shit.
Yeah, I'm healthy. I'm standing.